Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of smart spending, a concept that can truly transform your financial future. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let's kick things off with a real-life story that I think many of you will find relatable. Allow me to introduce you to John, a diligent and hardworking individual with big dreams. John has a steady job, and on the surface, it seems like he should be in a comfortable financial position. However, the conflict arises when John starts to realize that despite his decent income, he's constantly living paycheck to paycheck. His dreams of financial security and freedom appear to be drifting further away with each passing month. So, here's the problem that we're addressing today. John needs a solution, a way to break free from this cycle of financial stress and start building a secure future for himself and his family. Welcome to Wealth Creation Gents, a personal finance channel focusing on financial intelligence. Today, we're going to explore the art of smart spending, and how it can be the key to John's financial liberation. But it's not just about John, it's about all of us. So, let me ask you this. Are you making the most of your hard-earned money, or do you find yourself stuck in a financial rut like John? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. 1. Understanding smart spend. Smart spending goes far beyond budgeting, it's a mindset. At its core, it's about discerning between your wants and needs, crafting a budget that aligns with your aspirations, and securing your financial well-being while still enjoying the present moment. Think of it as your financial control center, a dedicated account for daily expenses that ensures you stay on top of your finances. 2. Components of smart spend. 2A. Personal spending account. This is like your financial command center, ensuring effective money management. Having a dedicated account for daily expenses can make all the difference in keeping your finances in check. 2B. Rational spending rule. Before making any purchase, pause and ask yourself, does this align with my goals? Is it essential? The rational spending rule acts as your guide, nudging you toward prioritizing purchases that truly resonate with your financial objectives. 2C. Comprehensive spending review. Think of this as your financial health checkup. Regularly assessing your expenses helps you identify areas for improvement, ultimately enhancing your overall financial strategy. 2D. Smart spending extension. For those who are looking to take their financial game to the next level, digital assistants and apps offer invaluable insights for optimizing expenditures. They streamline the process, making informed financial decisions even more accessible. 3. How does smart spend work? The journey to smart spending starts with creating a budget. It's about outlining your income, identifying your fixed expenses, and allocating your funds wisely. By meticulously tracking every expense, you can unearth spending patterns and gain crucial insights into your financial habits. Armed with this knowledge, you can make conscious choices that align with your goals and values. 4. Developing smart spend habits. Effective habits are the cornerstone of smart spending success. It's about consistently reviewing your expenses and adjusting your budget as needed. Training yourself to practice delayed gratification can be a game changer. Before making a purchase, pause, and assess if it genuinely serves your needs. By avoiding impulsive buys and prioritizing value, you cultivate a healthy financial routine. 5. Maximizing your finances with smart spend. Smart spending isn't just about cutting costs, it's about optimizing every facet of your financial journey. As you master this art, you'll find yourself on the path to financial freedom. Saving for your dreams, investing wisely, and diversifying your portfolio all contribute to a financially fulfilling life. Conclusion. In a world teeming with financial complexities, mastering the art of smart spending is your compass to financial well-being. By understanding its components, embracing effective habits, and reaping its benefits, you're not just spending money, you're shaping your financial destiny. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable and insightful, please remember to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and family. Your engagement helps us reach more people with valuable financial insights. And if you're hungry for more financial wisdom, click on the link below to read the free article on the Wealth Creation Gents website.